Hi guys, welcome back to Techie35. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to add reset any Redmi smartphone that you have forgotten the password, pattern or pin. Before we kickstart, we need to power off the device. How to power off the device is to press the power key and the volume up key together for a few seconds. So when the power off option comes up, draw it up to power off the device. Give it few seconds for the device to completely turn off. When the device completely turn off, the next thing you have to do is to return to the power key and the volume up key as we did earlier. So we have to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Press the two keys together. When you see the Redmi logo, release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key. It will load the recovery menu from here. Continue to hold the volume up key. So this is the recovery menu. Most time before you leave the power key, you don't really have to wait for the logo, but when you hear vibration, so here is the recovery menu. So the next thing we have to do is to do this. We are to use the volume down key to navigate to wipe data. So when we get to wipe data, use the power key because it serves as the select button. Click on the power key. Use the volume down key again to take you to wipe all data that is boldly written on your screen. Use the volume down key to take you to wipe all data. When you get to wipe all data, use the power key again to select. It is asking us to confirm. Use the volume down key again to take you to confirm. So this is the last option that will help start the app resetting process. So press on the power key to confirm that you really want to add reset your Redmi device. So the add resetting process has kickstarted. Give it a few seconds for the device to add reset. Give it a few seconds. It is at resetting. Give it a few seconds to complete the add resetting process. When it is complete, you will see a successful message on your screen telling you that you have successfully reset your Redmi device. So here is the message on your screen: data wiped successfully. So from here you can see that it is telling us to go back. So going back, you have to press the power key to go back. So here we have to reboot the device. So use your volume up key to take your selection to reboot. Press on the power key again. From here we have to reboot to system. So use volume up key to take you to reboot to system. So use your power key again to select. This is also the process that will help to complete the hard resetting of your Redmi phone. So from here it will boot in few seconds to your home page. When it gets to your home page, you'll be able to set your region. If you are in US, UK, you'll be able to select UK, US, Netherlands, Canada, Australia, and other countries where you reside. So after then it will ask for your language. Select the language that best suits your phone. So after selecting the language, you'll see other settings like setting the fingerprint of the phone, pin, pattern, or password. If you don't wish to, you can skip it. This should happen just like a brand new phone you just bought. Select those options and your phone is back without a password, pin, or pattern. Subscribe to this channel, take it 35. Like, share this video to your friends. Comments with any question you have. Check out this playlist for more interesting videos. See you guys in our next video.